and today we'll be making slime, and all you need is detergent, glue, a bowl, and something to mix with. So let's get started. So all you need to do is get the bowl and pour glue into it. Glue. Pour all the glue in. Get it in. Sorry, but we also forgot that you have to use food coloring as well. We chose red, so let's get back to it. So all you want to do is add the food coloring into the glue.
No, you need to put it in
when you put it in a spoon as well. And we just want to, let's see.
Stop it.
Swap it. Okay, we missed that. All you want to do is plop it into there. Now you can use a lot or a little. We're using medium.
You don't know when to mix it.
And oh my gosh. So we're just gonna put that to the side. And then you want to mix it up. And last comes the detergent. After it's all mixed, then you want to add the detergent, which will be in a moment.
Let's do it.
You gotta mix it. You gotta mix it. You have to mix it hard, because that's what gets slime.
Do you need help?
That's what gets the color.
Well, spitting red. Spitting red.
It's getting red.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're done mixing it, it should look like this. Let me see. Then you want to add your detergent, which is right here. You don't want to. Which you don't want to add too much, but we just want to add some. That's too much, but you want to mix it up now. This is what makes it not sticky, and so you just want to keep mixing it until it has that slimy texture. And so
The stone is bathing.
let me see. Yeah, we need if you do make slime, make sure to get a spoon or something like that, because this is incredibly
Not working.
incredibly really sticky, or it's just like falling apart. So once it gets that texture like this, it's still a little bit sticky, but hang on, we're just gonna change this real quick. This. Okay. See, it's turning slimy. You
Yeah, wait until you can't see the detergent.
Let's see. Just mix this. Is it sticky though? Is it so sticky? It's extremely slimy. That's what it is.
It does
Okay.
Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. This is our first time moving slime.
If you put too much detergent, you want to get another bowl and put more glue in there. And so once you're done putting up all the glue, then you want to put that into the same bowl with all the glue, and you want to mix it up. Now you could do this with a spoon or hand. I'm using hand, but it smells really good because we use detergent. And yeah, I need to mix this.
Stain.
Oh, and you want to be careful because the food dye can stain your fingers. So once you're done mixing it all, then you want to wash your hands. You want to keep mixing until it's not that sticky anymore. This is incredibly sticky. Maybe we should add just a little bit more detergent. Since the slime was too sticky, we mixed the glue and detergent till we got the texture we needed. We're new to YouTube, so if you'd like to see more, like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see us do next.